Hey folks, Sheldon again with another Promaster. We don't get them often, especially the City Promaster. Hard to find. This is a 2020 City Promaster. Only has 14,900 kilometers on it. Thing's in fantastic shape. Local vehicle. And I forgot to unlock the door, but I'll come back to that. The body, of course, is in great shape, so is the rubber. You'd expect that with only having 14,900 kilometers on it. But the cloth interior, it's a high-density cloth interior, so it's easy to keep clean. Nicely laid out dash. Got your Bluetooth right there. Your cruise controls right there. There's the kilometers on it. There's the key fob will unlock. For the back, there's your navigation, but very good condition. And it still doesn't open, but that's okay. These videos aren't planned, so we'll just kind of roll with it. Here we go. Opens up. Of course, has the bulkhead again in it. Nicely laid out. Well, not nicely laid out. It's empty and flat in there, but it's in good shape. Does have the side doors for easier access too. But that's your City Promaster. Balance of factory warranty. Great shape as always. We deliver anywhere in BC. We take trays. Financing on site. Give me a call, BC 604-362-2922.